Kombi in its entirety is beautiful. Apart from the movement, the colors, and the grace of the dance, it is just a unique dance. Here in Calabar, you cannot do anything without
Down here,
having this.
no, I couldn't hear me.
We buy them kukores here. Here me gubares here. Ekpaku. Yana another about me. You carry tongue. As you can see. Yana for one. This is just a maiden, beautiful, gracefully, and let me tell you, wait until you see the movement that this beautiful lady will put together. I am so excited here in Calabar. I'm just thrilled to come back to my mother, come back to my roots. All right? So, in my next episode, you will see the dance in its entirety. Thank you very much and be on the lookout. Always subscribe.